If you're planning a move and trying to pick the right moving company, you'll want to know about the ProMover program. It's one of the smartest checks you can do. The program comes from the American Moving and Storage Association, AMSA, and it's all about helping you find movers who are already held to solid standards. Here's what you should look for. First, a certified ProMover must have been in business for a while, at least 18 months, and pass a background check on ownership. They must be licensed and insured, and follow AMSA's ethical rules. Second, they have to be honest in their advertising, tell you what to expect ahead of time, and uphold the rules set out by the United States regulators like the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FNCSA. Third, when you hire a ProMover, you get an added layer of comfort. It doesn't guarantee zero problems, but it means a mover has agreed to higher standards, and that gives you better odds of a smoother move. So what should you do today? When you're getting quotes, ask if the mover is a ProMover. Look for the logo, ask for proof of membership, check reviews, and whether they're licensed. It's a quick check that can save a lot of worry. Want expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and you can also email us at contactusmovers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.